Hello there! In this quick guide, we'll walk you through how to access and update your exhibitor profile in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Check your email and click the Access Exhibitor space. Make sure these three are enabled. There you go, now you are in your online exhibitor space. Step 2. How to add booth members. Click Booth Members and click Add Member. Fill this out and choose to add your team as either a member or admin. Done! The member you invited should have received an email and can now follow Step 1. Step 3. What to update in your exhibitor profile. Click Exhibitor Profile and fill in the important details. For the banner image, upload it using the dimensions below. It will appear at the top of your profile page. And click Save and Publish. Now click on Booth Materials. Showcase any video by adding its URL here. You can upload other collaterals here. Valid file types only, up to 25 megabytes. For the promotional banner, you can choose either text with CTA or image with CTA. For leads, you can manually add them here. Or use the MECSR Events app to scan badges during the event. Perfect! You'll now see the leads you've added manually or scanned in your exhibitor space. Inquiries from the Inquiry button will appear under the Inquiries tab. Click Add Availability to set your time slots for virtual or in-person meetings. Great! Now let's move on to booth rehearsal. Before the event, access your online booth from the microsite to rehearse and test your meeting tools and presentation. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your exhibitor space. As part of your exhibitor or sponsor benefits, promoting your online space by sharing its unique link with invitees is essential. It not only boosts your visibility, but also ensures that potential leads and attendees can easily explore your offerings, helping you make the most of your participation before and during the event. Thank you!